This just came in last fall. It's a early 1932 Chris Craft, which means it was built during the Depression. Chris Craft trying to build up sales during the Depression. Made it a simple boat, less expensive to construct. List price on it was $795. A man from Ohio found it up at Bolton Landing. He was to live there in 1932. He said there was a tree growing up through the middle of it. He had it restored, showed it for several years, and then sold it to somebody in California. And he in turn sold it back again to the one in Ohio, and he had it restored again. It's 15.5 foot. It has a 4-cylinder Chrysler engine in it.